In this video, I will show you step by step on how to download or save TikTok video without Watermark, step-by-step tutorial. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you're already new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post content like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how to download or save TikTok video without having Watermark. So let's get.
Alright, welcome back, friends. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you head over to your TikTok app. So right here, I'm going to make sure I open up my TikTok. I'm going to click on here. Alright, so for you to download or save a video like this into your phone gallery, one thing you want to do next is to make sure you click on this share icon button right here. Make sure you click on share icon. Then the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on copy link. Having copied the link, then you have to exit from your TikTok app. Next thing you want to do is to make use of your browser. So in this video, I'm going to make use of my Chrome browser. So I'm going to open my Chrome browser right here. So the next thing I'm going to do is to make sure I click on create new tab. Then I'm going to make use of my address bar right here. Then I will type snap. So you can see snaptic.app. So this is the right URL right here. So I'm going to click on that. Then the next thing you want to do is to make sure you paste the link into the address bar right here. So what I'm going to do next is to click and hold down and make sure I paste. Having pasted the link, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on download. There's going to present your download button, right? So the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on download right here. So you can see it has been successful download. After a successful download, you can click on open to watch the video. Then you can click on play button to play the video. So you can see right here that we are able to download this video from TikTok without TikTok Watermark step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big thumb up, and also if you have not yet subscribed, remember to click on subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.